Welcome to Joy's Tech, my friend. We'll learn how to join two strings in Python using the join function in this video. I'm already in my PyCharm IDE where I'll write the program. And I request you to code along with me as that way you will learn it by hands-on. And if you're new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as that way you won't miss out on these coding videos I make for you. Alright, we'll first write the main function, so let's quickly do it. I'll simply write main and PyCharm is going to create the main function for me. We'll make this program a little sophisticated, and for that we'll take the two strings from the user. For that we'll make use of the input function. We'll define two string variables thus, and in them we'll store these two strings taken as input. So let's write the code. Our first variable will be str1. After the equals to sign, we'll write input function within which we will pass a message, enter the first string. And similarly we'll write our second variable. After the equals to sign, we'll again make use of the input function. Let me do the copy and paste, and instead of first we'll write second. So the entire message will be enter the second string. We'll make use of a third variable in which we'll store the concatenated string. So let's declare a third variable. It will be str3 followed by an equals to sign. We'll make use of the join function now to concatenate or join the two strings. So the syntax to write it is this. If you want to give a space between the two strings, then we'll type space within the double quotes. And then we'll write dot. We'll make use of the join function, and within its brackets, we'll pass the two strings in a list. So like this. There you go. We passed these two string variables inside a list because the join function accepts an iterable whose individual elements it joins using the separator given over here, which is a space in this case. The list is iterable. The string itself is iterable, but when it is a matter of joining two string elements, we pass them like this. Now let's print this concatenated string and check if we were able to concatenate the two strings entered from the console. So we are simply going to write print within its bracket str3. That's it. Let's run the program and check the output. You can see it is asking me for the first string, so let me write Python, and then it is asking for the second string, so I'm going to write language. Okay, when I hit enter, I expect that I'm going to get Python language separated by space. There you go. You can see the two strings have been concatenated. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Do give it a thumbs up and share this video with your colleagues and friends. I look forward to helping you with programming and algorithms. Goodbye and take very good care of yourself.